Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can view deleted TikTok videos. So let's begin the video. Let's suppose that you watch a TikTok video and you liked it. After some time you want to review the video and you notice that the video ain't available anymore, means that it is deleted. It's a bummer because you liked that video and you didn't download it because either if was not downloadable or your phone was out of storage. In this video I'm going to share a solution where in the future you can view deleted TikTok videos. So for this all you need to download a free app. The app name is Faves. All you need to do is to open the app store and download the Faves app. It's completely free. Once the app has been downloaded, you can open it first. Make sure that you create an account so that you can maintain all of your videos. So basically what this app does, it's going to allow you to save your TikTok videos. So even if they are removed from TikTok, you can view them from here. And the best part is it's free and it doesn't consume any of your phone storage to download the TikTok videos. So just for an example here, let me just open TikTok and let's suppose that this is one of my videos so that I can delete it and show you it. So let's suppose that you like this some XYZ TikTok video and you really want to view it again, but you don't want to download it. So the best thing that you can do is to press on the share button or these three dots, and what you can do is to go till the very end, and here you're going to have this others button. Press on this other button and you're going to see the Faves app right here. So you can press on the Faves app. If the Faves app is still not showing, go till the very end where it says more. Press on more and here you're going to see the Faves app. Press on the Faves app, and on the Faves app, if you don't know, you need to make something called a stack. So basically stack is a way of organizing your videos. As I have a stack to save my Instagram videos, you can create a stack to save your TikTok videos. You can name your stack anything. I'm just going to name it TikTok. After that, press on return and press on create stack, and now make sure that particular stack is selected and press on favorite. So now you can see it says uploading. Now what will happen that this video is now saved on the Faves app. So even if it is not available on TikTok anymore in the future, you can still view it on the Faves app. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete this TikTok video as I'm the creator of it. So let's say that your XYZ creator deleted the XYZ video that you like. What will you do now? So since you have faved that video, all you need to do is to press on the Faves app. You're going to open the stack in which you faved that video, and here you can view the video as well. As you can see, the video is playing. I have currently muted it due to YouTube copyright claim. But yeah guys, in this way you can view deleted TikTok videos in the future. All you need to do is to just press on the share button and select the Faves app. Not going to consume any of your phone storage and it's completely free. It's going to work both for videos that have the same save button and if they don't have the save button. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.